So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add subscript text, my apologies, here in Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up Microsoft Word. Once that is done, add some text to your document. So for example, if I wanted to type in the word subscript just like this, I'll make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. The text is pretty normal. So what the subscript basically does is it sort of adds text that are like really small to sort of the bottom right of whatever you're typing. So for example, if you want to subscript text, just go to the top left here, make sure the home tab is selected. Right where it says bold, italicized, underline, strike through, there is an X with a 2 right here that says subscript. Press on subscript right here. Now what this will basically do is anything you type from here on out will actually just be a subscripted version of text that you've previously typed compared to the original thing. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to subscript text here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.